Before churches and before Bible, Igbo land had powerful gods people feared to offend, and their punishments were instant. Okay, now let's talk. We're going to be talking about Alusi, the forgotten Igbo gods people feared. Okay, before Christianity, before missionaries, before colonial rule, Igbo people already had their own spiritual system. These forces were called Alusi. Alusi means spirits or deities, not evil, not demonic, but powerful natural forces that control life. For example, we have Amajoha, god of thunder and justice. If you lie or commit evil, thunder will strike you. Allah, earth goddess, Anyanwu, the sun symbol of life and truth. And we also have Ikenga, personal strength and success. Every village respected these forces. Shrines were built, sacrifices were made, oaths were taken, because people believed if you break the law, the Alusi will punish you instantly. No police needed, no prison needed. Fear of the gods kept society disciplined. Even the British soldiers were scared to destroy some shrines because they believed something mysterious protected them. But when Christianity came, many of these traditions were labeled pagan and forgotten. Yet today, their influence still lives in the Igbo culture because spirituality did not start with colonization. So let me know what you think about Alusi in the comment section. And thank you for watching.